Friends, esteemed guests, and fellow competitors, today I stand before you with a message of strength, determination, and victory. Today I want to talk to you about crushing it in every aspect of your life, from your career to your personal relationships, to your own self-improvement. Crushing it is not just about achieving success, it's about dominating your goals, pushing past your limits, and refusing to settle for anything less than your best. It's about waking up every day with a fire in your belly and a fierce determination to conquer the world. But let me be clear, crushing it is not easy. It requires hard work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in yourself. It means pushing through the tough times, overcoming obstacles, and never giving up, no matter how difficult the road may seem. So how can you crush it each and every day? Here are a few key strategies to help you on your journey to victory. First and foremost, you must have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Set specific, measurable goals for yourself and create a plan to reach them. Visualize your success and let that vision drive you forward, even when the going gets tough. Secondly, you must cultivate a winning mindset. Believe in yourself, believe in your abilities, and believe that you are capable of achieving greatness. Surround yourself with positive influences and banish negativity from your life. Remember, your thoughts have power, and a positive mindset can propel you towards success. Next, you must take consistent action towards your goals. Success doesn't happen overnight. It is the result of small, daily actions that build up over time. Stay focused, stay motivated, and stay disciplined in your pursuit of victory. And finally, never be afraid to fail. Failure is not the end of the road. It is just a stepping stone on the path to success. Learn from your mistakes, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward. Remember, every setback is an opportunity to grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. In conclusion, my friends, I urge you to embrace the spirit of crushing it in your daily lives. Believe in yourself, take action, and never give up on your dreams. With hard work, determination, and a relentless pursuit of victory, you can achieve greatness in every aspect of your life. So go out there and crush it, my friends. The world is yours for the taking. Thank you.